Hey, Michael. Hey, this is Sal from California. You know, I used to work in the garment industry as a maintenance man. I worked for a small company that had about 15 or 20 employees. What we used to do, we used to make equipment for firemen, like helmet liners and special straps for the firemen. Well, the company purchased this old, worn-out 1970 Juki bar tapper. It's spelled Juki. To make the story short, you know, it ran terrible. It would break the string about 90% of the time. So what I did, I cleaned it, replaced a few parts. It did help, but it still continued breaking the string. And not to mention that the bar tapper has over 200 plus moving parts. So I applied Tribal Max oil on all the moving parts. About after 3 months, the sewing machine, it ran like a new one, you know. My boss was so happy. Before, you know, it would take about 16 to 20 hours to finish an order. But now, it only takes 2 to 4 hours. Now my boss uses Tribal Max oil on all her sewing equipment.